Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Montessori 2 English class. Students, now come to book page number 112. 112. Today we will make sentence by using this. Today we will make sentence by using this. Students, look here. What is this? Cup. So now we will write here the sentence of this. This is a cup. 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 ये हमारे this is used for near thing. This is used for near thing. Now next one is bed. This is a bed. This is a bed. This is a bed. This is a bed. Next one is den. What is this? Den. This is a den. So now we will write here the sentence of this. This is a den. This is a den. This is a den. This is a den. Now students, it's your turn. Make first 3 sentences on book page number 112. First 3 sentences on book page number 112.